Volkswagen will offer substantial compensation and car buyback deals in the U.S. as part of a settlement of the diesel emissions scandal. Final details of the packages offered will be announced in June, but a court had given VW and regulators until Thursday to reach a deal in principle. Last year, U.S. regulators discovered that VW cars were fitted with software that could distort emissions tests. The German giant subsequently said 11 million cars worldwide were affected. Details of the preliminary agreement were announced in a California court. U.S. District Court Judge Charles Breyer said the settlement would include a buyback offer for nearly 500,000 2.0-liter vehicles. He did not give details of how much car owners would offered in compensation, but said the deal between Volkswagen, the U.S. government and private lawyers would be substantial. Judge Breyer said VW would also pay into an environmental fund and commit other money to promote green car technology. Volkswagen told its shareholders last year it had set aside $7.3 billion to help defray the potential costs of a recall or regulatory penalties, but that figure could rise. The company faces as much as $20 billion in fines for Clean Air Act violations alone. Analyst Marc-René Tonn, at Warburg Research, estimated the direct financial impact on Volkswagen from the emissions scandal worldwide $32.3 billion. The U.S. settlement could influence what happens in Europe and in other countries, Mr. Tonn said. Very generous payments to U.S. customers may add to some greediness here, too. Volkswagen installed software in the diesel engines to detect when they were being tested and cheat the results. Some models could have been pumping out up to 40 times the legal limit of the pollutant, nitrogen oxide, regulators disclosed. Volkswagen is committed to winning back the trust of its customers, its dealers, its regulators, and all of America, said VW lawyer Robert Giuffra. The agreements are an important step forward on the road to making things right, he added. The deal announced on Thursday covers mostly 2-liter vehicles. Judge Breyer said he expects an agreement between VW and regulators covering about 90,000 larger vehicles and SUVs to be addressed expeditiously.